Hello and welcome back. GovDoc News, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. You take it from there. Back at it with a presidential memorandum. Memorandum for the Secretary of Health and Human Services and the Commissioner of Food and Drugs. Important one here, so let's pay attention. All right. This document is a directive from the president focusing on improving the regulation of direct-to-consumer prescription drug advertisements in the United States. A little context here, since 1962, the FDA has been responsible for overseeing these advertisements. The document highlights that these advertisements can sometimes be misleading. For example, they might overemphasize the benefits of a drug while downplaying its risks, push people toward medications instead of a healthier lifestyle change, or promote expensive brand name drugs over cheaper, equally effective generics. It also points out that this can interfere with doctor-patient relationships by influencing patients to demand specific drugs. Historically, the FDA required drug companies to provide a balanced view in their ads, but this document claims that over time the rules have become less strict, especially for broadcast ads like TV or radio. As a result, drug companies have been allowed to include less detailed information about the risks, often directing consumers to websites or other sources for more details instead of including them in the ad itself. A little more context here, in 2024 alone, pharma companies spent $10 billion to market their products directly to consumers. So, what is going to happen now? The Secretary of Health and Human Services is directed to take steps to ensure ads are transparent and accurate, specifically increasing the amount of risk-related information as allowed by law. The FDA Commissioner is directed to enforce the rules in the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, or the FDCA, which governs prescription drug advertising. The FDA will also work to close a 1997 loophole that allowed drug companies to provide minimal risk information in ads by referring customers to external sources like we just talked about. The FDA is also stepping up enforcement by sending thousands of warning letters and about 100 cease and desist letters to drug companies with misleading ads. The agency is also expanding oversight to include social media ads, influencer promotions, and other digital platforms where advertising rules are often ignored. All right, there it is. Facts of the case. Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time.